The rural real estate market in the Wellington and Waterloo region actually cooled down for the third quarter of this year. Most of the indicators that we saw for the rural real estate market are down compared to the second quarter of this year. And that's actually the opposite of what we saw for most of the properties in the city. The average sale price dropped 9% in the third quarter compared to where we were at in the second quarter of this year. However, the average sale price is still up 18% if we look at it year over year. In a year plagued with low supply, our inventory levels continued to drop in the third quarter, which resulted in a reduction in sales of 27% in the third quarter compared to the second quarter of this year. The low inventory did mean that rural properties continue to sell very quickly with an average days on market of only 20. And on average, rural properties are selling for 100% of list price. However, that is down from 105% that we had in the second quarter. Rural remains in a really strong seller's market, but it's not as strong of a market as we had earlier this year. With the restrictions starting to lift in the city, we may have seen some buyers give up on their dream of buying a rural property. It's still a really challenging market for anyone who is looking to buy rural real estate. However, it is a lot easier than it was earlier this year. I'm Brad Wild from Go Wild Real Estate. If you want more information on buying or selling a rural property, please click the link for the full market report.